Welcome back to the channel, guys, and welcome to the new video of this DAF XF. Obviously front post is damaged, pushed back by 30mm, similar kind of damage to that Volvo video what I just did. This post is actually back 30mm, and the lorry actually hit the motorhome, which obviously made a mess to the motorhome and scrapped it all. Half of the motorhome is inside the cab, basically. It is mess, glass, wood, plastics everywhere. So pushed the post back, dented the bulkhead, scraped the whole side. We got a new door, kind of paint the whole side, and on the lorry is not too bad. That bracket there, which the cap bar sits on, basically the cap is bolted here, and that bracket is designed to bend back. But to take this bracket off, there's a bolter from the back, which means the rod have to come out, which is not ideal design, but that's how they did it. So obviously scraped it all down the side. I'm going to replace it all, prepare it. So, and probably have to just start with the stripping the whole interior out of this lorry, because I hover it all out already, some of it, but just have to strip half of the dash, take the seat out, floor mat, take the floor mat, we'll see what's the damages. Right, got it pulled. Actually went pretty easy. I stripped it all inside, and obviously there was a little kink in the floor here, which I just knocked it out, just grabbed it there and it went. So basically from that point there to this point here, it's supposed to be 93 centimeters, which is now, it was 91 before I started. No, 90, sorry, 30mm different. But now got it all pulled and it's in a perfect place now. I just have to dress this front up, that bulkhead, a little bit dent in the post here and there, and go from there. Okay guys, so I've got this front repaired basically. That dent, knocked it out, you've seen me knocking out, and I just welded the panel back in. Just to clean up on that, probably just a skim of filler just to smooth everything out, but there's a little dent in this post here, dent in the post, and from here to there, you can see there's a little dent in the post, so I need to dress that up before I put the door on. And on the side panel, I don't know if you're going to see it, but yes, this obviously basically when had accident from the front, that door squashed into this door aperture, and obviously the lock went back with the door, and they put like a hump on the side, so I need to probably grab it there, give it a little pull and try to flatten this off before I put the door on. Right boys, I've got it done. Door fits perfectly. Gap on the front to the pillar, looks good. Across the back, perfect. Actually went ahead and repaired this side panel, which had a couple of dented scratches in. Front end is repaired. Just this bit body filler there, gently bit body filler there to smooth everything out. And boys in the paint shop will take it over now. Right guys, we're all ready. We're painted. We've got all this put back together. Jason is here today. He's going to give us a hand to put this cab on. We also swapped this bracket, what I told you earlier. That bracket there. So let's get this cab on. job took 120 hours to complete. And thank you for watching, see you on the next one.